Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salad from scratch. Start by gathering potatoes, eggs, mayo, mustard, vinegar, salt, and pepper. Boil potatoes until tender but not falling apart, then cool and dice. Hard-boil eggs separately and chop. Whisk dressing with mayo, mustard, vinegar, salt, and pepper to taste. Fold potatoes and eggs gently into the dressing, chill to meld flavors, then adjust seasoning before serving. Boiling potatoes properly makes all the difference. Use even chunks so each piece cooks uniformly, and salt the water to season throughout. Start timing once water returns to a gentle boil and test with a fork frequently. Avoid overcooking or they will collapse into mush. Drain promptly and let steam escape to dry slightly before dressing. Cooling briefly helps the dressing cling rather than become watery, giving better texture overall. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice is my go-to air freshener for road trips and grocery runs, and it keeps your car smelling great after hauling potatoes and supplies. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Create a dressing that complements, not overwhelms, the potatoes. Start with a base of mayonnaise, add mustard and a splash of vinegar for brightness, and taste as you go. Fold in chopped celery, onion, or pickles for texture contrast. Fresh herbs like dill or chives lift the flavor, while salt and pepper finalize seasoning. Mix gently to keep chunks intact, then chill so flavors marry before serving for best results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.